Hello, I just wanted to show you briefly how you can solve these trigonometric equations when you have the angle multiplied by a constant or maybe added or subtracted to a constant. The first thing you have to do is always transform your interval. You are not looking for solutions in this interval, you are looking for solutions to 3 theta. Really, you are looking for 3 theta between 0 and 3 times 360. So that's what we are going to do. Look for solutions between 0 and 1080 and 80 degrees. And then at the very end is when we are going to find theta and instead of 3 theta. So first of all, we are going to find the principal or the main solution. With the calculator, just going to do cos minus 1 of 0.766. If you do that, the first 3 theta that you find is going to be 40 degrees. Yeah, 40 degrees is my first solution. I need to find all of the others that are between 0 and 1080. So 40 degrees will be something like around here. This is 40 degrees. And I'm talking about the cos. And you know cos is here, is this part here. So I'm looking for any other angles between 0 and 1080 that has the same cos. So in my full circle, I have the 40, and then the next one that has the same cos is this one here. So the symmetrical in the horizontal axis. This one, this angle here, has the same cos, and that angle there is 360 minus 40 because this is symmetrical. So if this is 40, this is 40. So my next angle is going to be 320 degrees. And from there, I just go around and around. So my next solution will be one whole term but plus the 40, one whole term plus the 320, and so on until I get 1080. So I'm just adding the numbers. I would have 400, 680. I'm just adding 360 to this one, 360 to this one, and 360 to this one, 360, and so on. I'm just adding 360 every time until I reach the 1080. And mil is 1040 degrees is the last one. The next one would be over. Yeah. So these are my solutions for 3 theta. What I'm going to do now is to find the solutions for theta just dividing by 3. But I do it here. Yeah, so I have to find all the solutions for 3 theta in this interval, and at the end divide by theta. If you do the other way around, you will miss solutions. So just divide. So 3.3 degrees, 107 degrees, 133 degrees, 227 degrees, 253 and 347. And those are my solutions to the question. Yeah, and you see that they are all in the right interval. The other possibility that you have is when you have in your question sine or cos or tan of your angle plus or minus another angle. So again, what we are going to do is exactly the same. We are going to transform our interval first, find the solutions, and then find the solutions in that new interval, and then find x. So x plus 60 will be in this interval when I add 60 here and 60 here. So that's going to be between 60, x plus 60 is going to be between 60 and 420. I am just adding 60 both sides. If I go to the calculator and find sine minus 1 of 0.3, my first answer for x plus 60, so I'm looking x plus 60 solutions, my first answer is going to be 17.45. That's the one that the calculator gives me. I have to notice that this is not an answer in my interval, so this won't count, but it's going to help me to find the others. So 17.45 is an angle that is going to be here somewhere. I'm looking for the sine, and I know the sine is the opposite, so it's this one. So I want all of the other numbers that have the same sine, which will be symmetrical in the y-axis. So this angle here has the same sine, this angle here. And this angle here is 180 minus this bit, which is symmetrical, which is 17.45. So that first angle is going to be 162.454. The next one will be when I go around and 17.45 more, so 360 and 17.45, which is 377.45, and the next one will be this one, so one whole turn and this bit, and it's over 420, so that doesn't count, and this one doesn't count because it's not in the interval. So I have two solutions in my interval, and now what I'm going to do is to find x. To find x, I'm going to take away 60 degrees, because these are the answers for x plus 60. If I want the answers for x, I just take away 60. So this is 102.54 degrees, and the other is going to be 317.45 degrees. And these are my answers. Yeah. But the first thing you have to do in this question and in the other is to transform your interval. Then you find the first answer with your calculator and all of the others that are in this interval. And the third step is to find the actual angle. So this one, taking away 60 in this case, dividing by 30 in this case. And that's all.